3 real-time streams from a CNC machine. 1 ML model. Real-time failure prediction, without your team writing a single line of Flink code. Axis snapshots, constant. Tool wear slower. Program context, rare. Different schemas, different rates. But the ML model needs all 3 per machine right now. This is Union Memo. Each branch is keyed by machine ID. Whenever any event arrives from any stream, it emits a merged record with the latest value from every branch. State expires after 10 minutes of inactivity. Here's what comes out. 1 record per machine with axis coordinates, tool where, and current program operation. Everything the model needs in a single event. The model scores each record. If failure probability crosses the threshold, a maintenance alert goes out before the tool breaks. Union Memo is just a component built once on Flink's DataStream API by an engineer. In Nussknacker, your domain experts use it without ever knowing Apache Flink exists.